Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will have another unboxing video, an affordable dashcam with really good specs. If you don't know, Xiaomi has an affordable dashcam, 70mi Lite, which is similar to 70mi Pro but loses some features, but not the functions that people need in a good dashcam. The Lite in Xiaomi 70mi doesn't mean it's any less capable. It just means it ditches some of the unnecessary functions like voice control, advanced driver assistance system, and defogging of video. While those are nice to have, not everyone really needs them. Instead, I can say that it is simple to operate and has just the basic you need. By basic, I mean it records in Full HD, has a 2-inch display so you can view your recordings, super clear night vision using a Sony Starvis sensor, and a 24-hour parking surveillance mode that can automatically start recording when there is a collision being detected by the built-in G sensor. While the 70mi Lite doesn't have built-in GPS, there is an optional GPS module you can get that attaches to where the mounting plate would usually go. It's not that large and still keeps the size of the camera pretty small. The GPS unit is to display speed and GPS coordinates on your video when it's recording. I do suggest picking it up as it is very helpful information to have, as the more information you have the better. There's even Wi-Fi, so you can use the connected app with it. Note that 70mi Lite records in 1080p, and the quality will be just fine for most people. You may not get the insane detail you would running a 2K or 4K camera, but it's enough for everyday driving. I do like the fact that Xiaomi 70mi Lite looks pretty much exactly like the Pro counterpart. The only difference is the golden paint from the camera. While the Xiaomi 70mi Lite might not have all the bells and whistles of the Pro model or the smart features of many of the new dashcams coming out, that doesn't make the 70mi Lite any less capable. In fact, I'm going to guess that there are probably many of you out there that don't even want all those extras. Many just want a simple basic dashcam that does what it's supposed to do. Sometimes less is more, and the Xiaomi 70mi Lite proves this.